Alaya F. says her debut film will always hold a special place in her heart and its thoughts will always make her happy. Alaya made an impressive debut earlier this year in the rom-com Jawani Jani Man. Recalling the film, she said, "This journey started the moment I signed the film. Everything has just been so exciting and so new for me and so fresh. Everything has had so much learning in it and so much fun and satisfaction in so many ways. I'm just so grateful that I had the opportunity to do this film in the first place. I am so grateful that it was this exact film because I don't think I would have wanted it to be any other film as my first one. I have already watched it so many times, but I don't think I will ever get sick of it. I think it will always be something that excites me and just makes me feel so happy," she added. The film stars Saif Ali Khan as a 40-year-old man who traces his relationship with his teenage daughter. Tabu features as the girl's mother in a special role. Bollywood actress Katrina Kaif says she misses playing cricket. Katrina on Friday posted a photograph on Instagram where she can be seen striking a pose with a cricket bat and a ball. The actress can be seen wearing a kurta paired with a churidar. "Missing cricket, always ready to play, properly attired or no," Katrina captioned the image. On the work front, Katrina's next release is Rohit Shetty's cop action drama Suryavanshi, starring Akshay Kumar. The film is slated for a Diwali release as of now. She has also recently signed Phone Booth, a horror comedy co-starring Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ishan Khattar. Sitting at home in a world paralyzed by COVID lockdown, actress Priyanka Chopra Jonas seems to be gripped with wanderlust. In a new snapshot she has posted on Instagram, Priyanka looks out of a window. She has captioned the image as "Wanderlust." Priyanka has been busy working out amid the lockdown and she recently shared that she loves doing push-ups, especially when her husband, pop star Nick Jonas, is involved in the activity. On the work front, Priyanka will be seen in The White Tiger, an upcoming Netflix adaptation where she features with Adarsh Gaurav and Rajkumar Rao. Abhishek Bachchan has tested negative for COVID-19 and has been discharged from hospital. Recently, Abhishek took to his Instagram account to share a fan-made illustration of him beating the coronavirus. In the image, Abhishek can be seen sporting a Jaipur Pink Panthers merchandise and saying "Aur le panga." Abhishek captioned the post, "Thank you Manoj Sinha for this, love it." Megastar Amitabh Bachchan, his son Abhishek, daughter-in-law Aishwarya and granddaughter Aradhya were tested COVID positive in July. All of them have been recovered now and discharged from hospital. Actor Ishan Khattar has been roped in to play Brigadier Balram Singh Mehta in an upcoming war film. Titled Pippa, the film has the celebrated army tank at the core of its plot and is directed by airlift maker Raja Krishna Menon. Ishan took to Instagram to share the news. He wrote, "It's an incredible honor to step into the shoes of Brigadier Balram Singh Mehta. As we are about to celebrate the spirit of independence, the team is coming together for a visual celebration of love, humanity and India in Pippa." Veteran Brigadier Balram Singh Mehta of the 45th Cavalry Tank Squadron, along with his siblings, fought on the Eastern Front during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, and the film recounts his history. It is based on his book The Burning Shafis. Pippa is co-written by Ravindra Randhawa, Tanmay Mohan and Raja Krishna Menon. The film is co-produced by Ronnie Screwvala and Siddharth Roy Kapoor.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.